I hope you all are doing extremely well. So, Cognizance 360 brings you the latest job updates. Today's new update is IOCL Recruitment 2021 latest job update, Indian Oil Corporation. So, the opening date is 22 December 2020, which has been already opened. The last date is 15th of January 2021. Details are for the job post is engineering assistant and technical attendant. Job location is across India. Vacancy is 1247 vacancies. Number of the post is as engineering assistant and technical attendant. And the salary will be 25,000 to 1 lakh 5,000. When it comes to technical attendant, 23,000 to 78,000. Educational qualifications should be diploma and 10th pass and ITI. Age limit is minimum 18 years and maximum is 26 years. So for more information regarding this job update, visit the link given here, and the link for this website given in the description box. Please go and check it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video for more updates. Adios amigos.